The wedding day. It was a bright and beautiful morning. The sun shone gently over the town, and the sky stretched wide and blue. Birds sang from the trees, and the soft breeze carried the scent of flowers. Everything looked perfect. Today was Anna's wedding day. She woke up early, her heart filled with excitement. Her white dress hung by the window, long and elegant, glowing softly in the morning light. She smiled as she touched the fabric. It was everything she had ever dreamed of. For years, she had imagined this moment, and now it was finally here. The house was full of life. Her mother was busy in the kitchen, preparing breakfast for the guests. Her father laughed with friends in the garden. Her younger sister ran around, full of energy, carrying flowers and ribbons. The air buzzed with happiness and excitement. Anna could hear laughter from every corner, and her heart felt warm. She was ready to begin a new chapter of her life, with Ryan, the man she loved deeply. Ryan had been part of her life for 3 years. He was kind, confident, and had a way of making her laugh even when days were hard. They had shared so many beautiful memories, trips to the mountains, long late-night talks, dreams about their future. He had always been her best friend and her safe place. She believed she knew him better than anyone in the world. The wedding was held in a wide, beautiful garden. White flowers lined the path, and the fragrance of roses filled the air. Chairs were arranged neatly on both sides of a long red carpet, and soft music played in the background. Guests began arriving, dressed in elegant clothes, smiling and chatting as they took pictures. Everything looked magical, just like Anna had imagined. She stood in front of the mirror, taking a deep breath. Her hair was styled perfectly, her dress flawless. Her mother hugged her tightly, whispering, "You look beautiful, my dear." Anna smiled and felt her mother's love surround her. When it was time to go, she stepped outside into the sunlight. The guests turned to look at her, admiration shining in their eyes. Her heart pounded as she walked slowly down the aisle. At the end of it stood Ryan, waiting for her. He looked handsome in his black suit, smiling as she approached. But something about that smile felt different. It was polite, almost practiced, not warm, not full of love. Anna felt a strange chill inside her chest, just for a moment. She tried to ignore it. Maybe it was just nerves, she told herself. But as she got closer, she saw Ryan laughing with one of his friends. His laugh was loud, unfamiliar, almost cold. It wasn't the same warm laugh she loved. Her steps slowed slightly. Something inside her whispered that something was wrong. The ceremony began. The officiant spoke softly, and the guests listened with smiles. But Anna's mind was far away. She kept glancing at Ryan. His face looked calm, but his eyes were distant. He wasn't looking at her, wasn't holding her hand. She noticed his fingers tapping against his leg, restless and distracted. His friend whispered something again, and Ryan smirked, quickly hiding it. Anna saw it, and it sent a sharp pain through her heart. Her thoughts raced. Had she missed something all along? Were there signs she had ignored? She remembered moments when he had been distant, times when she felt like he was somewhere else. She had brushed them away, trusting love to be enough. But now, standing beside him, she wasn't sure anymore. The officiant's voice brought her back to the moment. "Do you, Ryan, take Anna to be your wife?" Ryan looked up and said clearly, "Yes, I do." The guests smiled, clapping softly. But Anna's heart didn't feel joy. Instead, it felt heavy, uncertain. Then came her turn. "Do you, Anna, take Ryan to be your husband?" The words hung in the air like a weight. Every eye was on her. Her mother looked emotional, her father proud. Her friends waited, smiling, expecting a yes. But inside, her heart screamed for her to stop. She looked at Ryan again. His expression didn't change. He didn't look afraid of losing her. He looked calm, almost indifferent, as if her answer didn't matter. That look broke something inside her. Her hands trembled. She remembered the girl she used to be, the one who believed in true love, who trusted her heart completely. Now that same heart told her to listen, to trust her instinct. The truth was clear now. The man she was about to marry wasn't the man she had imagined. He wasn't the dream she had built. The silence stretched. Guests began to whisper. The officiant waited patiently. Anna took a slow, deep breath. Her voice trembled, but her decision was firm. "I can't do this," she said softly but clearly. Gasps filled the garden. The music stopped. Her mother's eyes widened in shock, and her father stood frozen. Ryan just stared at her. No anger, no sadness, just silence. That silence told her everything she needed to know. Anna stepped back slowly. Each step felt lighter, freer. The fear that had held her disappeared, replaced by peace. She didn't know what the future would bring, but she knew she had made the right choice. She chose herself, her peace, her truth. As she reached the edge of the garden, she turned back for one last look. The world she had almost stepped into now looked small and distant. Then she walked forward, pushing open the gates. The sunlight poured over her face, warm and bright. The breeze touched her skin softly, as if welcoming her to a new beginning. For the first time in a long time, Anna felt truly alive. The road ahead was uncertain, but it was hers, and that was enough. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Take care and stay strong.